What's good, fam? It's Asia, and today I'm going to show you how you can style your mini twist into 3 super simple hairstyles. The first style is half up, half down. All you're going to do is part from ear to ear, and then you're going to take a regular standard ponytail and you're going to secure your hair with it and make sure to tuck your ends to create a bun. Next, we're going to take some hair string. I picked this up from Sally Beauty, and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair to add a little festivity to the bun. Next, you're going to take some filigree tubes and you're just going to squeeze them in on the sides of your hair going up in a row. I just applied 2 to each side, and this is the finished look. The next style is a quick side part. First, you're going to finger part on the side that you want your bang to fall on, and then you're going to secure it down with a bobby pin. This just helps the hair to fall nicely, and I'm pushing back the sides a little bit. That way I can add in some accessories. I'm using some pins that have pearls on them. I got these from Amazon. You can find them linked in the description box. That's it. This is a really simple hairstyle. Style number 3, you're going to need some clamps for this one. We're going to start out by taking a small section of hair on each side and braiding it down to the end. Next, we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and you want to actually make 2 braids. So as you'll see in a moment, I will have 2 on each side. What I do is I'm just spraying my hair with a little leave-in moisturizer and then braiding down to the end. Next, I'm going to do some flat twists going straight to the back. So I applied a little bit of my leave-in conditioner and then I flat twisted my hair going to the back. I'm only twisting the crown of my head. And then after I reach the ends of my hair, I'm going to just wrap that around into a Bantu knot. Then I'm just going to add a rubber band to secure it into place. And then after that, I added another braid onto each of the sides of my hair. And all I'm going to do is complete the same thing to the other side. So once that's done, we're going to add our beads now. And I'm just doing this with a bobby pin, pushing the beads onto my hair, and I secure it with a rubber band. I have a total of 4 beads on each braid. To accessorize this hairstyle, I'm going to be applying some hair clamps to my hair. These are from Amazon as well, and they're super simple to apply. I'm only applying 2 of them, but you can use as many or as little as you would like. Once I've got those in, I'm going to proceed to braiding the back of my hair. I decided to just braid my hair into 2 French braids. Next, I'm going to take my gold string and I'm just going to wrap it around each of my Bantu knots, kind of like a rubber band. And you want to make sure that you have it fairly tight and that the knot is in the back. And that's it for this style. Super simple and super cute. So here are the 3 styles: a half up, half down. You can do a side part or the Bantu knots and beads. Let me know which one is your fave, and I'll catch you in my next video.